I bought this Volkswagen for 1,800 yuan, and I'm going to restore it to its former 180,000 yuan glory. My friends say I'm wasting my time and money, but they don't understand that I'm not just restoring a car, I'm bringing back a piece of the past that can never be replaced. Now let's get it back to the workshop and start tearing it down. Oh my goodness, who's brave enough to come over here and take a smell of this? The interior has been completely stripped down and almost everything is damaged. We'll restore each part one by one, starting with the AC evaporator box. More than 10 years of built-up grime is the main source of the bad smell inside this old car. The old drive belt snapped from age, locking up the pulley and even breaking the cooling fan connector. After removing the rear axle, the underbody and chassis areas are completely cleared out. Which mechanic worked on this before? Hose clamps are missing everywhere. The turbo is leaking oil everywhere. After disassembly, we found worn bearings and heavy carbon buildup that had seized the piston rings. Everything is thoroughly cleaned in an ultrasonic cleaner, and once the new parts arrive, we begin reassembly.
Finally, we finish it off with a full coat of premium German glasurit paint, bringing back a deep glossy showroom quality finish. I only understood it after growing up. This old Passat carried all of my father's quiet love. He drove this car and took our family through countless years together. Now that it's been fully restored, the love that time had hidden finally shines once again. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.